How to block email senders in Apple Mail. On iPhone or iPad, step 1. Open the Mail app and tap on the message from the sender you want to block. Step 2. Tap the sender's name at the top, then tap it again to open their contact card. Step 3. Scroll down and select Block this contact. Confirm by tapping Block Contact again. Now, their emails will go straight to your trash folder. On Mac, open the Mail app on your Mac. Click on Message from the sender you want to block, and go to the Mail menu bar, Preferences, Rules, or right-click the sender and select Block Contact if using macOS Ventura or later. Again, block senders are filtered away so your inbox stays clean. So that's it. No more distractions from unwanted email.